Benta ki jing leniam kadai malang tang shisien haman na ki jing mane lapen bet yaga hakane kerukom bahadin keriti leniam ke jing Shai ber ke jing perbana Paskha kalong ka benta ka benengkong kabalang malu besdang ka benta ka baan kamut keriti jang bektien Hadien
which as you know took place at dawn. Dawn means early morning. We shall gather for a shorter period, but the purpose is the same, to share in Jesus' resurrection as we have shared in his death during the past days. We read in the Gospel of John these words of Jesus: I am the light of the world. Anyone who follows me will not walk in darkness. He will have the light of life. Fire gives us light and gives us warmth. Christ gives us all